Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add search bar in Wix. So let's get started. So right now I'm in the Wix website editor. So what we can do is we can actually just click on this add elements right here. And then from in there, head over to the menu and anchor. And head over to the site search. And then from in there, you will be able to see this Wix site search. So just click on this plus sign right here in order to add this to your website. So as you can see right here, it is actually configuring the components, optimizing the pages. And then as you can see, once it's downloading, we should be able to see this search bar. So let's just wait for this to finish loading. Then as you can see, here is the search bar right here. So in here, you can actually edit this however you want. You can stretch this if you want. You can just shuffle it. So when you do that, you'll be able to see that it changes right here. So when you click on settings as well, you'll be able to see in here the settings for the search results. So you can manage the settings right here, click on the layout and design, and click on this right here. So when you click on search bar, you should be able to see and change the color and everything. So for example, I want to make it yellow, you can actually change it to yellow. As you can see, it already changed, but for me right now, it is not recommended because I can barely see it, so I can just head over and just use the black option. Now from in there, you can also change the font color right here and the opacity of that color. So it totally depends on how you want to actually use this. So as you can see, a search bar has also been added on this form right here. So once it's been added, you can actually publish it. Then once you have published it, you should be able to see it on your published website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add search bar on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.